Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a fall manicure with reverse stamping. If you follow my channel, you will know that this is by far my favorite technique. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna start applying my base coat. This is First Base from Essie to protect my natural nails. And as a base color, I'll be using Potion Polish Hello Fall. And if you haven't heard of this brand, I will link here the video that I did reviewing their fall collection, which is beautiful. For the stamping, I'll be using Uber Chic Nice and Negative stamping plate with this design here. They look like fall leaves to me. I don't know if that's what it is, but I'm gonna use it like that. And I'm also gonna use Maniology Ice Cube Stamper. This is my favorite stamping ever, and I will appreciate if you use my code TINY10 for 10% off in your next purchase. Now to stamp, I'll be using Holotaco Electrostatic. This is a regular nail polish, but I often use it as a stamping polish just because I love the effect that gives to the designs. Then I'm gonna clean my stamping plate with acetone and some cotton, and I'm gonna repeat the process because I'm using this pattern in 3 of my nails. And if you're working with reverse stamping, it's really useful to have several stampers because you're gonna save a lot of time. Now I'm gonna fill in the design. I'm gonna start with the same color as my base, and you can use a dotting tool or a brush to do this step. Then I'll be using Holotaco Full Charge, which is a beautiful green for the fall. I was trying to imitate the colors that trees and leaves get in the autumn, so I added some orange, and I think it's just looking beautiful. I only needed to add some brown, so I added Smoky Maple Chai. This is also part of that collection, and it has like a multi-chrome finish. Then I repeated the process in the 2 other stampers to get the 3 that I need, and I'm gonna let them dry completely. Now I'm gonna apply liquid latex, and I'm also gonna apply 1 coat of the Orly Bonder because my base color was already dry, so I need some sticky surface where to stamp my designs. Then I'm gonna wait 30 to 45 seconds before stamping. This is very important, otherwise you could ruin your design. And here I'm transferring the design onto my ring finger, my middle finger, and I'm also gonna transfer the same design on my thumb. Now I'm gonna grab this tool. This is the other side of the cuticle pusher, but you can also use an orange stick. It has to be something sharp, and I'm gonna try to separate the design from the border of my nail. You have to be very careful because you could totally break the design. And then with some tweezers, I'm gonna remove the liquid latex along with the excess of the design. And for the tip, you can cut the rest with some scissors or just pull it off and then just hide the remaining pieces under your nail. This technique has almost no cleanup to do. Now I'm gonna apply a coat of the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat just to avoid the black polish to smudge. It's not likely to do so just because it's not a stamping polish, so it has to be already dry by then. But just in case, I didn't want to risk it. You know, I spend a lot of time doing this, so I prefer not to take risk at the end. And then I apply a dry fast top coat, and here's the final result. I really love how this turned out. All these colors have a holographic finish, so they look absolutely stunning. And I ended up doing my both hands just because I was having so much fun painting this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!